Most of us want to look our best, but also feel comfortable and confident when we carry ourselves. And for doing this, keep three things in mind: the way we tuck our shirts, how we enhance the tiniest part of our bodies, and how we cover at the same time. So first, tuck only the front part of our shirts and leave the back out. This instantly defines our waist, which is the tiniest compared to our whole body. We are also belting it to add drama while emphasizing the waist. Don't forget to add accessories which make you look super cute. And second, keeping back open covers our bottoms, which most of us feel comfortable in. Also gives us a flow in our movement, making it everything relaxed and very seamless. This way we feel very confident as we move and glide through the day. And the silhouette looks super flattering, adds character and interest to the whole flowy, super cool look. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, keep loving, keep living and keep smiling.